Hey guys. Ah, nothing new on the Jeep. Oh shoot, there is something new on the Jeep. Got a steering column. But if you'll notice down there, I don't have a good way to mount it yet. But that's where it comes out. Just have to make an adapter right there. But take a look at these tires. It's probably the last time that you'll see those. Tip it sideways. Hint. Might be something new coming for the rims and tires. Anyway, let's take a right. One of the things I've been playing with or learning to use is this old 1944 Sheldon metal lathe. My dad purchased it on Craigslist, I think, and refurbished it. The thing is pretty freaking awesome. Has an automatic gearbox down here for doing different screw threads and stuff. That was one of the things that I was playing with the other night, learning how to do threads. But been using a piece of PVC plastic just to practice and do some different tests and stuff. But have the turn that puppy off. Have the tooltip on here. Quick release here. Then up above, got a knurling tool. Different setups on tooling and stuff. Got some gauges and stuff. Anyway, this thing should be useful. Excited about it. It's awesome.